Hi friends, today let us learn how to connect a mouse and ear headphones at a time to MacBook or any kind of MacBook. So let us learn today how to connect it. First, you go to Bluetooth preferences. You have to connect each one separately. So first you connect what you want. So first you connect the mouse and disconnect it, and again you connect the earphones and disconnect it. Now then you go to applications. In that you see audio MIDI setup. The MIDI setup, in the right corner of the down corner you will see a plus button. There you see create multi output device. If you click that, it will create a folder wherein you have to connect how many other outputs you want to connect. So we want to connect a mouse and earphones at a time. Just open the Bluetooth setup. First you connect one of them. Click on that, it is connected, and then again second one you just click on that, so it is also connected. So now the both devices are connected. You see here, yes. After connection you have to mark it, so you have to take the marks. That's all. So this is how you have to connect both mouse and earphones, or you can add still more 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many ever you want. You connect to the Bluetooths to the MacBook Pro. Usually we don't see a common criteria that we have to connect immediately. We will be confused. So this is how you have to do. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like and comment. Thank you one and all.